today I'll be vlogging on how I spend a day in my life. So don't skip the video. Watch till the end. Tashi, hi. Cutie pie from Tibet, our cute classmate. This is all. Yeah. Don't do like that now. What you're eating? You're having breakfast?
That's true.
Okay. This puri we got from canteen. Puri. Today we didn't have classes from like there's some work. That's why we were like literally free for like 1 hour. Anyways, these 2 hours, I think some teacher will come and take our class.
Yeah, our blackboard and everything is empty. Even the teacher chair is empty. Someday she will occupy that chair and table, right? I don't know. You will be the Dada. Yeah. And then
Hello everyone. So our classes have ended by now, and hi Tashi. Tashi is eating fried rice. We're waiting for the bus now, and actually it's raining. Yeah. Ayo. Oh my god. That's too heavyweight, yeah. Many people came today. I mean, because some BC admissions are going on.
Hey. Bangalore railway. Yeah, that's like, yeah, bro, I don't know where it's supposed to.
Hello.
Guys, like, subscribe, shit. Always like this, YouTubers are saying.
Yeah. Actually, he's kind of shy and.
Yeah, always I'm not a I don't think so. This question is very good. I mean, like something which is very good. Why you don't know? I don't give people in.
Say, tell Mohan after class, ekta printing to kanda ina se, Nikki ang misho dala pen hala, thesis print out kora se, to kanda ina se, to se sai thali, kina life test ero dekhai diyo. Now you see, I want to see. Hello everyone. How is it? This more clearer. Which one is clearer? Finally, all our works are done. Snippet. Ayah, my God. We're like leaving the Papa. 2 munchkins. Munchkins. Munchkins.
2 munchkins.
Karma say hi. This is Karma Nuru. My
feeling shy.
younger brother.
Our younger brother.
Yeah, from my
The
brother.
youngest one.
Among us.
I'm the youngest here, right?
Yeah, you're the
And
youngest.
with us, you're the youngest, right?
Yeah, of course you are like the youngest.
I'm the eldest sister.
It's okay.
Record it, keep it in your YouTube.
Yep.
I step up to the mic, gonna make you swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands